D-I-S-C-I-P-L-E disciple. D-I-S-C-I-P-L-E disciple. D-I-S-C-I-P-L-E disciple. What do you want to be? A disciple. Really want to be a disciple. Really want to be a disciple. Really want to be a disciple. It's true. Want to follow you. Really want to be a disciple. Really want to be a disciple. Really want to be a disciple. It's true. Want to follow you. I want to go into the world and tell every nation about the love of Jesus, his gift of salvation. I'll tell my little brother and my big sister too. I'll tell all the kids in my neighborhood all about you. I really want to be a disciple, really want to be a disciple, really want to be a disciple, it's true. Want to follow you. Really want to be a disciple, really want to be a disciple, really want to be a disciple, it's true. Want to follow you. Well, it's written in the Bible in Matthew 28. To go and make disciples, there ain't no need to wait. So get up on your feet, go marching out the door, and tell everybody you meet about Jesus Christ our Lord. I really want to be a disciple, really want to be a disciple, really want to be a disciple, it's true. Want to follow you. One more time. Really want to be a disciple, really want to be a disciple, really want to be a disciple, it's true.